A scientist on global sustainability has argued that international collaboration is needed to manage the whole planet and keep it a habitable place. In an interview with Xinhua on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum, John Rockstrom, director of the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research, warned that the planet is approaching a tipping point marked by record temperatures.
We have 1.48 degrees Celsius of global mean surface temperature rise observed in 2023. This is an extreme. So the only way to have a manageable climate future is to phase out fossil fuels, plus take care of nature to the extent that the planet continues to be resilient, to be healthy, to be able to absorb and buffer. I am of the view that the only way to solve the climate crisis is through collective action. We need global, universal action, and that requires trust.